Hi kindergartners, it's Mrs. Lynch. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be playing a fun game called Snap. Now if you're in my class, you know how to play Snap, but if you're in Mrs. Hanson's, Mrs. Fernandez, or Mrs. Devlin's class, you may know how to play it already, but I'm just going to go over quickly the directions so we all know how to play. So what we're going to do to get started is either you've printed the paper or you can set it up on blank paper. What I want you to do is I want you to write 5 equals 5 equals 5 equals 5 equals 4 times, and then the same thing with the number 6, because we're going to do 8 problems. We're going to focus on 4 problems that 5 equals, ways to make 5, and 4 ways to make 6. Okay, so set this up, pause the video if you need to, or you already have it on paper. So the way that we play Snap is I show you, since we're going to start with the number 5, I'm going to show you the 5 stick. Now this 5 stick is your whole number. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place this 5 stick behind my back and I'm going to say snap, and I'm going to show you a part that we use to make 5. Now we know we started with 5 and I'm showing you a part that is 3, so you're trying to guess the other part that's behind my back to make 5. So if I'm showing you 3 and we need to make 5, what's the part behind my back? Hopefully you said 2, because 3 and 2 would make 5. And then on your sentence, you would write, well, we started with 5, so 5 equals, the part I showed you was 3, the missing part was 2. Are you guys ready? Now that one was just a practice, so we're going to start over again. So here's a 5 stick. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know we're starting with the whole number of 5. I'm going to put it behind my back and I'm going to say snap. Here's one part that I'm showing you. There are 4 in my hand. So you're trying to guess what's the part behind my back that I need to make 5. And I'm going to give you 2 seconds to make sure your guess is right. So in your mind, you're thinking 4 and what make 5? And hopefully you said 1. Because it is 1. So I started with 5. I snapped and I showed you the 4. And you were guessing 1. Now, let's write our sentence. So we know we started with 5. The part I showed you was 4. So I'm going to write 4. Plus, the other part that was behind my back was 1. So your sentence is 5 equals 4 plus 1. Okay, ready for your next one? So I'm going to show you 5 stick again. So there's 5. Remember, we're making 5 right now. So I'm going to put the 5 behind my back. And I'm going to say snap. I'm showing you 3. You're trying to guess the part behind my back that I need to make 5. So 3 and what make 5? Hopefully you said 2, because 3 and 2 make 5. So when you go to write your number sentence, see if you guys can do it. I'm going to write mine. Let's see if ours matches. Are you ready? So I started with 3. You ready? So you should have done 5 equals 3 and 2. Are you ready for the next one? So I'm starting with 5 again. So 5, putting it behind my back, snap. I'm showing you 5. What's the part behind my back that I need to make 5? Now this may trick you. Don't let it trick you. So in your head you're thinking, I need to make 5. So 5 and what make 5? Write your sentence. I'm going to write mine. Let's see if they match. 5 equals 5 plus 0. So the other part I needed was 0. I already had 5. Okay, last one with 5. Are you ready? So here's your 5 stick. I'm going to put it behind my back. And I'm going to say snap. I'm showing you the 2 parts. What do I have behind my back to make 5? Hopefully you said 3, because 2 and 3 make 5. Write your sentence. Let's see if ours match. Are you ready? Your sentence should say 5 equals 2 and 3. I showed you 2. 3 was behind my back. Yay! Hopefully that was fun. Now we're going to do 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more cube to our stick. Let's count to see if I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we're going to do this with 6. Are you ready? We're going to do 4 problems with 6. So here's your 6 stick. I'm going to put it behind my back and I'm going to snap it. And I'm showing you 5. So you're thinking, what do I have behind my back to make 6? And hopefully you said 1. 5 and 1 make 6. Now our sentence would be 6, because we started with 6, equals 5 that I showed you, and the part behind my back was 1. So your sentence says 6 equals 5 plus 1. Are you ready for the next one? So 6 stick again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put it behind my back and I'm going to snap. I'm showing you 3. What's the part behind my back? Shout it out loud if you can. Hopefully you said 3. 3 and 3 make 6. Now go ahead and write your sentence. Let's use our match. Are you ready? 6 equals 3 that I showed you and 3 behind my back. So 6 equals 3 plus 3. Ready? 6 stick again. I'm going to put behind my back and I'm going to snap it. I'm showing you 4. What's behind my back that I need to make 6? So I have 4. I need to make 6. What's behind my back? Hopefully you said 2, because 4 and 2 make 6. So write your sentence for that. Let's see if they match. So 6 equals 4 plus 2. Last one. I know you guys are so upset because you want to do more, but the best thing about this game is that if you have cubes at home, or maybe you can use counters, you can play this at home with your moms and dads or your siblings. Last one. Are you ready? Here's my cube stick. 6. Snapping it behind my back. And I'm going to show you 1. Now, what's behind my back that I need to make 6? I'm showing you 1 and I need to get to 6. What's behind my back? Hopefully you said 5, because 1 and 5 make 6. So write your sentence. And it should say 6 equals 1 plus 5. Yay! That was fun. Okay, hope you enjoy the rest of your day, boys and girls.